It's hard to believe I've had my bike for 9 days. And you know what? 8 of the last 9 days, it's been raining. Oh my goodness. I don't know where you guys are, but I'm in Detroit, Michigan, and for the last 8 days, it's been raining. Either it's been raining during the day, or it's been raining in the night, or the rain started in the afternoon and rained all the way into the next day. And so that means I haven't had a chance to ride my new bike. Now, I went out for a short ride around the block just to feel how it was going. And so that's the only extent of the riding I have done. Plus, I'm still waiting on the paperwork, the title to come, and so I can go ahead and register the bike and get the insurance. Today is May the 1st, 2023. Happy 1st of May Day to you guys out there. So yesterday was Sunday, and because it was raining, I decided to go over to my storage garage and get my ST1300 started and to make a list of the things that I need to do to the ST1300 because I have neglected that bike for the last 2 years. Now, as you know, a couple of weeks ago, I changed the clutch shifter switch and found out that there were some other problems with the transmission. I need to rebuild the clutch master, and I also need to rebuild the slave cylinder under the bike. So that's a couple of things I gotta do. Plus also, I have a fork leak. So I have to either rebuild those forks or take them off and take them over to Honda, Suzuki, or Warren in Warren, Michigan to have those guys rebuild those forks for me on the ST1300. Now, I haven't ridden the ST1300 in about 7 months, and it was just amazing to me to see how dirty that bike got. Being inside the garage, I think next year I'll buy covers for the bike, for the ST1300, the Suzuki, and for my Shadow. Try to keep some of that dust down. But like I said, the ST1300 was looking in bad shape. I mean, it was just dust covered. So yeah. So anyway, that brings us up to today, May 1st. I ordered my first mods. Amazon dropped them off today. So let's go take a look at the mods that we received today and go ahead and throw them on the bike. Okay, I ordered a couple of things off of Amazon. One was a set of mirrors to fit the Suzuki 600 because it didn't have any mirrors, and I don't understand how you guys can ride around without mirrors. But I guess, like Burt Reynolds said in one of the Cannonball movies, what's behind me is not important. Ridden the bike about 3 or 4 minutes, and I could not stand not having any mirrors. So I'm going to take off the block off plates and install the mirrors. And then the second package I got, which is in this same box, is a rear seat cowl. My bike is not track focused. It's just going to be track prepped. And so I'm not going to be riding a passenger on the back of the 600. So I went ahead and got a cowl. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what we have here. All right, here's the cowl. Came wrapped up pretty good, so let's go ahead and cut this off. That's a black seat cowl, all right. Okay, that's the cowl. Now, these mirrors are the winglet mirrors. Those are the mirrors that you can flip to see the mirror, or you can make it look like winglet. So I can't wait to see how these looks on the. I can't wait to see how these look on the bike. Let's see, is it taped? Oh wow, looks pretty nice. Okay, pull these babies out. So these are the winglet mirrors. So right these. So when they're on the bike, so you got left side, right side. So that would be the, we'll figure it out. Let's see, is there a left and right? So I guess this would be the, I think this would be the, oh yeah. This would be the left side of the bike, and then when you want to look really cool, you just do them like that, and they look like little winglets. All right, hey, that looks pretty good. Let's get them on the bike. So I've already done the right side, or for those who really want to call it the brake side mirror. I've already put that on. So now we're going to come over here to the left side or the clutch side and remove these screws on the block off plate, the mirror block off plate. Take these off, nice GSXR block off mirror plates. And then we will install the mirror. I don't know how much more simpler it can get than that. And there you have it. So let me get you a shot of the back of the motorcycle looking toward the front. So now I'm going to take it to the back of the bike and show you how the mirrors look from the back in the winglet position and in the mirror position. So this is how they look in the winglet position, looking from the rear. And I'll turn the mirrors up for you so you have to see how they look. Now, I don't know if that's going to be much of a difference, but I tell you what, it's better to have them like that. To have mirrors on the bike than not. That's just my opinion. I don't like riding without mirrors. This is a view from the front of the bike with the mirrors in use. Now I'm going to flip them to where the winglets, you'll see the winglet part. And that's how the bike looks when they're in the winglet position. So those are just two quick, easy mods to make the bike look better, gives it a whole new look, and something I really wanted to do. Now, I'm not going to do too many more mods as far as cosmetic mods are concerned. The next group of mods I'll be doing will be more for, like I say, a track day. Tires, brakes, things of that nature. The next video coming up in the series for the new to me, GSXR 600. So I'm not only going to show the mods that came on the bike when I bought it, but I'm going to give the individual prices and we're going to see how much money I save. All right, Solo Black 313, rise and ride. I'll see you the next time.